I'm in a BMW M5 30 Jahre. There is the new Audi RS5. And over the other side of that is a Mercedes E63 AMG S. So what are we doing here? Well, we're going to have a standing quarter mile drag race. I want to see if that cheaper RS5 can humble this car. Don't forget, that's got all-wheel drive. And then as a benchmark of performance and all-wheel drive, we've got the Mercedes. We've got a guest driver today. It's Paul Wallace from Supercars of London, and he's in the Mercedes. So he'll be setting the pace, no doubt. Let's race. Go, no, too much wheel spin. Come on, car, no, going sideways, come on. You're gonna have to bleep that. But the race has happened. The race has happened. And it's over. Yeah, that was obvious. I can totally see why BMW is going all-wheel drive for the next M5.
So let's take a closer look at what happened. Well, the E63 S covered the quarter mile in 11.3 seconds. The Audi RS5 took 12.1 seconds. And the rear-wheel drive BMW M5, struggling for traction of course, brought up the rear in 12.6 seconds. For another view of what happened, click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to watch a 360-degree view of the race. Soon, we'll be putting these cars against each other in a rolling race, so don't click off the video. First though, let's talk some numbers. The Audi RS5 costs from £61,000, has a 2.9-litre twin-turbo V6 with 450 horsepower and 550 Nm driving all four wheels. I timed it from 0 to 60 miles an hour in precisely 4 seconds. The Mercedes E63 S costs £88,000 and has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 610 horsepower, 850 Nm and 4-wheel drive. I timed it from 0 to 60 miles an hour in just 3.2 seconds. The BMW M5 30 Jahre cost £91,000 when it was on sale in 2015. Its 4.4-litre twin-turbo V8 has 600 horsepower and 700 Nm, and it drives the rear wheels only. I timed it from 0 to 60 miles an hour in 4.4 seconds. To compare offers and deals on these, or any cars for that matter, click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to go to carwow.co.uk. Now then, let's see how these cars compare in a rolling race.
Right, this time what we're going to do is cruise along at 50. We're all in sports mode, but in automatic. I'm going to give a countdown, then we're going to floor it and see what happens with these cars. So, let's do it. 3, 2, 1, go! Come on, M5. And now it's a different story. Goodbye, RS5. That E63 is just a bit quicker. Right, that's enough of that. We know which way that's going.
So, the BMW M5 may have started slightly ahead of the other ones, but the Mercedes still edged past it. However, the RS5 was totally dropped regardless. That's because in this race, its all-wheel drive traction provided no advantage over the BMW. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it, and click on our logo to subscribe for more videos like this. Also, click on the windows for more video drag races.